Welcome, fellow explorers! In today's episode, we are looking at 5 groundbreaking new missions and discoveries which are expanding the frontiers of space exploration. In the past month, humanity has taken giant leaps in our quest to understand the universe. From revolutionary rocket launches to peering into the depths of our solar system and beyond, these discoveries are reshaping our cosmic perspective. Buckle up as we blast off into the unknown. First up, we have the SpaceX Starship Launch 5. On October 13, 2024, SpaceX achieved a historic milestone with the successful launch and landing of its Starship vehicle. This wasn't just another rocket launch, it was a glimpse into the future of space exploration. The Starship system consists of 2 parts, the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft. Standing at an impressive 400 feet tall, and with its 33 Raptor engines, which generate about 16 million pounds of thrust, it's the largest and most powerful rocket ever built. However, what made this launch truly revolutionary was the successful return and capture of the Super Heavy booster. Instead of landing on a separate platform, the booster was caught mid-air by the launch tower's mechanical arms, nicknamed Mechazilla. Imagine a 23-story building falling from the sky and then being gently caught by a pair of giant metal chopsticks. That's essentially what SpaceX accomplished. This achievement brings us one step closer to fully reusable rockets, which could dramatically reduce the cost of space travel. SpaceX envisions a future where the Starship can be refueled and relaunched within hours. The implications of this success are far-reaching. NASA has selected Starship as the lunar lander for its Artemis 3 mission, aiming to return humans to the moon as early as 2026. Looking further ahead, Starship could be the key to establishing a human presence on Mars. Its large payload capacity and potential for in-orbit refueling make it a game-changer for deep space exploration. Here are some questions for us to ponder in the wake of SpaceX's latest incredible achievement. How might fully reusable rockets change our approach to space exploration and even space colonization? What ethical considerations should we keep in mind as space travel becomes more accessible? Next, we have the Europa Clipper mission. On October 14, 2024, NASA successfully launched the Europa Clipper, marking a significant milestone in our quest to understand potentially habitable worlds beyond Earth. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has long fascinated scientists due to its subsurface ocean. This mission aims to investigate whether Europa could harbor conditions suitable for life. Some scientists believe Europa's ocean may contain twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. As we know, life on Earth originated in the sea, so who knows what might be waiting to be discovered in this distant lunar ocean? The Europa Clipper spacecraft is a marvel of engineering. It's the largest spacecraft NASA has ever built for a planetary mission, equipped with 9 scientific instruments to study Europa's composition, geology, and potential for hosting life. To put this in perspective, think about sending a fully equipped laboratory the size of a small bus to orbit Jupiter and make repeated close passes of Europa. That's what NASA is doing with Europa Clipper. The mission has faced several challenges, including concerns about radiation, which led to all of Europa Clipper's instruments being housed in a thick aluminum-zinc alloy vault to protect them from Jupiter's intense radiation field. The launch date was also delayed due to Hurricane Milton. Despite these setbacks, the team persevered, demonstrating the resilience required for deep space exploration. The spacecraft will take about 5.5 years to reach Jupiter, arriving in April 2030. Once at Jupiter, Europa Clipper will perform nearly 50 close flybys of Europa, diving through Jupiter's intense radiation to collect data before retreating to safer distances. This clip-and-run strategy allows for long-term study while minimizing radiation exposure. The potential implications of this mission are profound. If we find evidence of life on Europa, it could revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe and its prevalence. Here are some questions to reflect on. How strong is the likelihood of us discovering evidence of life on Europa? And if we do, how might that change our perspective on life in the universe and our place in it? How might the technologies developed for Europa Clipper be applied to future missions or even life on Earth? Our third incredible development this month is the Hera mission. On October 7, 2024, the European Space Agency, ESA, launched its Hera mission, marking another crucial step in planetary defense. Around 100 European companies and institutes across 18 ESA member states were involved in developing this mission. Hera, named after the Greek queen of the gods and Mount Olympus, is headed for the Didymos Dimorphos asteroid system, following up on NASA's DART mission that successfully altered the orbit of Dimorphos in 2022. This mission is part of a broader effort to develop techniques for protecting Earth from potential asteroid impacts. Think of Hera as a cosmic detective, arriving at the scene after DART's dramatic intervention to gather clues and evidence about what exactly happened and how effective the impact was. The mission will provide the first detailed survey of a binary asteroid system. It will study the crater left by DART, measure Dimorphos' mass, and analyze the asteroid's composition. Hera will deploy 2 shoebox-sized CubeSats to fly even closer to the asteroids, gathering additional data before attempting to land. The implications of this mission extend far beyond scientific curiosity. By improving our understanding of asteroid deflection techniques, Hera could play a crucial role in developing strategies to protect Earth from potential asteroid threats in the future. Number 4 on our list of latest developments in space is New Horizons' observation of Uranus. In a groundbreaking study, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, famous for its Pluto flyby, has provided new and unique observations of Uranus from its vantage point in the outer solar system. This unexpected use of New Horizons demonstrates how missions can contribute to scientific discoveries beyond their primary objectives. The spacecraft's distant view of Uranus is helping astronomers better understand how ice giant planets might appear when viewed from different angles. Uranus is tilted so far on its axis that it essentially rotates on its side, unlike any other planet in our solar system. By comparing New Horizons' distant view with Hubble's closer observations, scientists gained new insights into how Uranus reflects light at different angles. This research has important implications for the study of exoplanets. Many known exoplanets are gas giants similar to Uranus, and understanding how these planets appear from different angles could help us better interpret data from distant worlds. The New Horizons observations revealed that Uranus appeared dimmer than predicted when viewed at certain angles. These findings could significantly impact our search for and study of potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. As of 2024, over 5,000 exoplanets have been confirmed, with thousands more candidates awaiting verification. Finally, in today's video, we are looking at the latest advances in exoplanet observation techniques. As our understanding of our own solar system grows, so does our ability to look beyond it. Recent advancements in exoplanet observation techniques are bringing us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? 2 upcoming NASA missions are at the forefront of this effort: the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the Habitable Worlds Observatory. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, set to launch by 2027, will use a revolutionary technology called a coronagraph. You see, observing distant planets orbiting large bright stars is extremely difficult. It's a bit like trying to see a firefly next to a searchlight from miles away. The coronagraph acts like a tiny eclipse, blocking out the star's light and allowing us to directly observe planets orbiting it. This technology will enable more detailed studies of exoplanet atmospheres and compositions, particularly for gas giant planets. It's a crucial step towards identifying potentially habitable worlds. Meanwhile, the Habitable Worlds Observatory, currently in its early planning stages, aims to take exoplanet observation to the next level. It will be the first telescope designed specifically to search for atmospheric biosignatures on Earth-sized rocky planets orbiting other stars. Biosignatures are substances that provide scientific evidence of past or present life. On Earth, oxygen is a major biosignature, as it is a byproduct of photosynthesizers such as plants, algae, and cyanobacteria. The implications of these NASA missions are profound. They could potentially detect signs of life on distant worlds, revolutionizing our understanding of life's origins and prevalence in the universe. So far, scientists have confirmed about 5,600 exoplanets out of the billions we believe exist, but we've only been able to directly image a few dozen of them. These advancements build on decades of exoplanet research, from the first confirmed exoplanet discovery in 1992 to the groundbreaking observations made by the Kepler Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope. Here are some questions to ponder as we get closer to discovering other habitable worlds and potentially even extraterrestrial life. How might the discovery of biosignatures on an exoplanet impact our understanding of life's origins and prevalence in the universe? What other considerations should we keep in mind as we develop the capability to detect potential alien life How might the search for exoplanets and potential alien life influence our efforts to protect and preserve life on Earth? As we've seen, these 5 developments, from the groundbreaking Starship launch to advanced exoplanet observation techniques, are collectively expanding our understanding of the cosmos and our ability to explore it. They demonstrate the diverse ways in which we are able to explore space, from sending sophisticated spacecraft to distant moons, to studying the aftermath of asteroid impacts, to observing celestial bodies from Earth and beyond. Each of these breakthroughs contributes to our knowledge of potential habitable environments, planetary defense, the composition of our solar system, and even how we might detect and understand life on other planets. As we continue to explore and learn, we're not just satisfying our curiosity, we're paving the way for future space exploration and potentially even the long-term survival of our species. Thanks for joining us here again on Space Go. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Leave your thoughts and responses in the comments section below, and we'll see you again soon. Until then, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries that await us in the stars.